Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 52 Campbell Street in Rivervale. If you're on a budget and you're looking for a home that's near new presentation, then this is the one for you. Located close to shops, schools and parks, all you need is your furniture. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of 52 Campbell Street in Rivervale. As you can see, the home is immaculate and presents like it was built yesterday. So you're looking for a low maintenance home, this is the one. For more details, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.